If you're looking for an easy and delicious meal to make at home, this jollof rice with fried shrimp is simple, tasty, and perfect for any day of the week. So let's start with the shrimp. I season it with my favorite spices, then lightly fry it. My family prefers shrimp over chicken or beef, and then frying it first gives it a richer flavor. Nobody wants boring food, right? Once the shrimp is cooked, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Next, I will heat a little cooking oil and fry the onions. Then add the tomatoes. I use less oil for healthier cooking, but you can add more if you like. Cook the tomatoes until most of the water evaporates. I want them fresh, not burnt. I'm using my homemade tomato paste, and I'll be adding a little pasta sauce because I ran out of tomato paste. You can use only tomato paste if you have enough. Now I will add the seasonings, water, and the fried shrimp. Combine them well and let the sauce simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. While the sauce is cooking, I will go ahead and wash the rice thoroughly. Add it to the sauce and mix well. Cover and cook over low heat. One tip I'm going to give you here: it's better to add water gradually to keep your rice fluffy instead of soggy, right? Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed, adding a little at a time so you don't overdo the salt or spices. Serve with your favorite vegetables and extra shrimp if you would like. And that's how I made this easy homemade shrimp jollof rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, subscribe to Lydia's Cooking Hacks, and let me know in the comments if you prefer shrimp, chicken, or beef in your jollof rice. Until we meet again, have a great day. Bye.